Today we'll talk about how can you enable trade scaling on your Olymptrade app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first. So you just go here above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just click here on settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on platform, you just click on it. So then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you come here to trade scale here, just click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's mean here trade scaling enable with us now. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.